Hello and welcome to our channel. Ever get in your car, press the brake, and find you simply can't shift out of park? Before you panic or call for a tow, there's a good chance you can fix it yourself in seconds. Today, we are covering everything you need to know about your automatic transmission's secret lifesaver, the shift lock button. The shift lock button is a small but crucial feature in your automatic transmission car that many drivers only discover when they need it most. The shift lock or shift interlock override is a small recessed button usually located near the gear selector. Its primary purpose is to mechanically override the shift lock solenoid that locks the shifter in the park position. In simpler terms, it's the release button that allows you to move the gear shifter out of park when the car won't let you do it normally. But why is the shifter locked in the first place? It's actually a vital safety feature. Your car's computer uses a shift interlock system to prevent accidental shifting. For it to release, a few conditions must be met. You need to have your foot on the brake pedal, the car needs to be on or in accessory mode to provide power, and a small switch under your brake pedal must be working to tell the car you're braking. You must press the brake pedal to signal that you are in control before shifting. The car needs electrical power for the shift interlock solenoid to work. A small switch under your brake pedal tells the transmission that the brake is pressed. If this fails, the car doesn't know you're braking. So when do you actually need to use the shift lock button? You only need it when that normal process fails. This typically happens due to a few common malfunctions: a dead or weak car battery that can't power the solenoid, a blown fuse in the interlock system, a faulty brake light switch, which is a very common culprit, or more rarely, a failure of the shift lock solenoid itself. The bottom line is this: if you're pressing the brake, the car is on, but the shifter won't move, the shift lock button is your solution. If your brake lights don't come on when you press the pedal, this switch is likely broken. In essence, if you're pressing the brake pedal, the car is on, but the shifter won't budge, the shift lock button is your solution. How to use the shift lock button, a step-by-step guide. Using it is straightforward, but the exact method can vary slightly by car model. First, you need to locate the button. It's almost always on or near the gear selector. You might be looking for a small, covered slot labeled shift lock, and sometimes you'll need to pry off a small plastic cover with your key or a flathead screwdriver. Next, take your ignition key, which is the perfect tool for this, and insert it into the slot. Press and hold the button down firmly. You should feel a definite click. While continuing to hold the button, press the brake pedal as a safety habit and move the gear shifter all the way from park to neutral. Once you're in neutral, you can release the override button. You can now start the car, though if the battery is dead, you might need a jump start or simply move the vehicle. A critical safety note here: never use this override to shift directly into reverse or drive. It should only be used to get to neutral. Once there, you can use the shifter normally. Let's picture a few practical scenarios. Imagine your car battery is completely dead, and you need to push the car into a better parking spot or onto a tow truck. The shift lock lets you get to neutral so the wheels can roll freely. Or if you're in a tight garage and need to get the car out for a jump start, this is how you do it. In a very rare situation where the system fails while the engine is running, this override can get you to a mechanic. It's helpful to understand that the shift lock isn't a random feature, it's the mechanical failsafe for a fully electronic system. Here's how that system works. When you press the brake light switch acts as a messenger, sending a signal to the car's computer. The computer then powers the shift lock solenoid, an electromagnetic actuator that retracts a locking pin inside your shifter. That's the click you hear, allowing you to shift. The override button is just a simple plunger that manually pushes that same locking pin out of the way, completely bypassing the electrical system. Now, a very important point: using the shift lock is a temporary fix to move the car. The real question is, what is the underlying problem? If the shifter only releases intermittently, that's a classic sign of a failing brake light switch. If you hear a click but it's still stuck, that could point to a mechanical jam inside the shifter. And if the shifter feels loose after using the override, you may have forced a part that was already on the verge of breaking. A mechanic diagnosing this will start with simple steps: checking the brake light switch, inspecting the relevant fuses, often labeled stop or ECU, testing for power at the solenoid, and physically inspecting the shifter assembly for broken parts. So let's recap with a quick cheat sheet. The primary function is to mechanically override an electrical failure to shift from park to neutral. You need it when pressing the brake pedal does not release the shifter. The typical causes are a dead battery, a faulty brake light switch, or a blown fuse. Always remember, safety first. Only shift to neutral using the override and re-engage park when stopped. Most importantly, needing to use it is a symptom of a problem. It is not a permanent solution. And finally, know your car, find where that button is, and consult your owner's manual before you have an emergency. Understanding this small button gives you a significant level of self-reliance and can turn a stressful, costly tow truck call into a simple 30-second fix. The shift lock override button is a simple lever or plunger that, when pressed, manually pushes this locking pin out of the way, bypassing the entire electrical system. While the function is universal, the location and access method vary significantly by manufacturer and era. If you can't find it, the absolute best resource is your vehicle's owner's manual. It will have a dedicated section, often titled Shift Lock Override, or if you cannot shift out of park, with model-specific instructions and diagrams. In summary, the shift lock plays a vital role in enhancing vehicle safety and functionality in automatic transmissions. This feature prevents unintentional gear shifts from park, empowering drivers with greater control over their vehicle. The primary purpose of the shift lock is to ensure that the vehicle remains stationary when parked. This feature mitigates the risk of accidental gear changes that could lead to crashes or injuries, particularly in busy areas or when parked on inclines. In scenarios where the standard shifting mechanism fails due to a dead battery, blown fuses, or malfunctioning brake light switches, the shift lock button serves as a mechanical bypass. This allows drivers to shift the vehicle into neutral manually, facilitating safe towing or maneuvering without electrical dependency. The shift lock is invaluable when a driver faces unexpected issues. If the gear shifter becomes stuck in park despite meeting other conditions, the shift lock provides a straightforward solution to transition the vehicle to neutral, enabling the driver to push or tow the car to safety. Familiarity with the shift lock feature equips drivers with the knowledge to address gear shifting problems independently. This understanding fosters confidence when dealing with automotive issues, reducing anxiety during unexpected situations. Knowing how to use the shift lock can also be a diagnostic tool. Frequent reliance on it may indicate underlying issues, such as electrical problems or component failures, prompting owners to seek professional diagnosis before the situation escalates. The shift lock is particularly beneficial when needing to reposition a vehicle in tight spaces, such as during jump-start procedures, or when needing to move a car with a drained battery without requiring assistance. By properly utilizing the shift lock when necessary, drivers can avoid further damage to the transmission system. This preventive approach can contribute to the overall longevity and reliability of the vehicle. The shift lock or shift interlock override is an essential feature that safeguards drivers by preventing unintended shifts and offering a reliable means for manual control when electrical systems fail. Understanding this tool not only enhances driver safety and confidence, but also encourages proactive vehicle maintenance, which is crucial for long-term vehicle performance and reliability. Having this knowledge empowers drivers to navigate unexpected challenges effectively, turning potential emergencies into manageable situations. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.